of wisdom, something meaningful had begun to grow in our classroom.
Yes, under the Global Learning Program at BZS School, students had taken the lead and learning had come alive through action.
The students had explored World Malaria Day. They had learned about causes, symptoms, prevention, and the need for a healthier world.
They had also celebrated World Honesty Day. Through story completion, through right and wrong choices, they had understood values. They had practiced honesty.
These activities had built awareness, they had shaped thinking, they had encouraged responsibility.
Confidence had grown, voices had strengthened, ideas had turned into actions.
And just like that, little effort has created the big change.
Because every small step had the power to build a better tomorrow.
Stay tuned.
Where the voice rise like echoes from the soil and every whisper turn into choice. There democracy has found the truest value in the heart of the people. Yes, on the occasion of Panchayati Raj Day, our young minds of grade 7 beautifully brought the spirit of life within our school. Through an engaging enactment, students had stepped into the role of village leader. They had listened, they had discussed, they had decided. They had showcased how Panchayati Raj system worked at the grassroots level, solving local problems, addressing people's needs, and ensuring every voice is heard. The performance had reflected unity, responsibility, and teamwork. It had made learning real and meaningful. It was not just an activity, it was a lesson in leadership and true democracy.
National Panchayati Raj Day, we show how a panchayat solves village problems.
Like river, they began as a gentle stream but yet shape the land they flow through. These young change makers has reminded us that great change begins from the root. See you soon.
Hello everyone, myself Prapti
And myself, Shari.
Like ripples of awareness spreading through young minds, the spirit of learning had beautifully come alive.
Welcome to Senior Scoop. On 18th April 2026, our enthusiastic learners had observed National Civil Services Day, diving deep into the values of leadership and service towards the nation.
As a part of Global Learning Program, students had participated in engaging teacher-led sessions, where they had explored the role of civil services in nation building through experiential and interactive learning.
Adding to this meaningful journey, the students of Class 9 had also conducted a thoughtful activity on Equal Pay Day, highlighting the importance of fairness, equality, and justice in society.
With creativity and confidence, they had presented their ideas, fostering awareness about equal opportunities and the equal value of every individual's contribution.
These enriching activities had nurtured a sense of responsibility, discipline, and social awareness among students, shaping them into conscious citizens of tomorrow.
Good morning, my name is Rudrakshi Sankla from class 9B and I would like to speak a few lines on Equal Pay Day. As we all know, in our society, discrimination exists everywhere. The women get no wages than men in working areas. The government should take steps against discrimination and inequality. Men and women should pay equal pay for their work. Thank you.
This was the STEM Scoop, where learning had transformed into
Powerful expressions of change and inspiration.
Bye bye. Stay tuned. Subscribe for more updates only on
Zest and Scoop.